Hey there, my name is Aaron Nace. I'm the founder of Phlearn, and I want to congratulate all of the winners of the Masters of the Edit contest. Now, early this year, we partnered with ELLO to feature photographers who are doing incredible work with post-production in their images, and I just wanted to give a special shout out to all of those winners. From many entries, we chose 5 individuals who we thought did an incredible job using post-production to help make their images stand out from the crowd. Our first winner is Nathan, and his use of color is absolutely stunning. We can see from his post-production that he's using selections to actually add color into his photographs and create abstract pieces of art. He's also photographing scenes that are inherently colorful and really doing a great job in post-production, bringing those to life. Our next winner, Rob, really does a fantastic job using Photoshop in post-production to help bring his concepts to life. In his image, Tailor Made, he combines concept with post-production to create a realistic looking image that also has a message behind it. And in his image, Escapism, he does a fantastic job compositing photographs and matching the lighting to create a realistic photo. Our next winner is Katya, and with her fairy tale series, she did such an amazing job, making these images look realistic like there's no Photoshop at all. Her interaction with animals and her environment really creates a great melancholy mood in these images. She's taken these images that were obviously heavily produced, but made them look like just snapshots and moments in her everyday life. Our next winner is Marek, and he's done a fantastic job of taking very simple images and making them look incredible. Through his use of expression, post-production, and lighting, he creates portraits that are just a joy to look at. I'm pulled into the depths of these images, and they almost look like paintings more than photographs. And our last winner is Felicia with her series Magritteian Immersions, and I think this is such an incredible series, and I'm pulled into these photos. She's done a great job echoing the environment through the clothing in the images using post-production, and she's using repetition to create depth in her work. She does a great job taking what would be ordinary photos and using post-production to bring in an element of fine art. I'm so proud of all the winners of the Phlearn Masters of the Edit contest. Take some time and browse their portfolios on ELLO. I'm blown away by the work. And I want to say a special thank you to everyone who submitted to the contest as well as to ELLO. We had a fantastic time looking through all your images and seeing the stunning works that you're creating from all around the world. Thanks again, and I can't wait to see more work from these amazing artists in the future. Bye everyone.